Fam, I am having one of the laziest Sundays of my life. I went to church this morning and that's literally it. It is now 4 o'clock and I'm feeling some type of way. This happens like once a year stereotypically, but this time lasted, I feel like, a good 2. I haven't done like a rearranging my room moment in quite some time. I feel like for a while that was all the content I used to put up because I was just constantly getting bored of my environment. I feel like I was really happy with how my room is now, and I kind of acquired that during quarantine when I had way too much time on my hands and I just like played with my room until it was perfect. But that's been over a year now and it's a lazy Sunday and I'm bored. We're gonna rearrange some things, I think. I'm picturing the bed moving, but we'll get to that in a minute. First of all, outfit change. You guys have probably seen this coming for quite some time now. I have, and it took way too long to get here, but I am so very excited to announce that Parallel Apparel, my brand that my sister and I started together, is finally restocking August 13th. That is this Friday, and this video is coming out before then, so I can confidently say this Friday, but it is August 13th, 2021, and it launches at 12 noon. Pacific Standard Time. You're gonna get some of the original pieces, some of the core pieces that Alicia and I are most fond of and that you guys are most fond of, but we are adding color, which is a very big deal. I'm super stoked to introduce Shadow, which is this lovely lilac-y, purpley color over here, kind of mauve-y. I'm obsessed with this because the square neck top is one of my favorite tops. It also sold out. It was the first piece to sell out in our first drop. It sold out within like 10 minutes. It was wild. So this is available this coming Friday. I'm super excited about it. We're also coming out with a white bodysuit. The black bodysuit, the original bodysuit, was such a hit that we're coming out with a white one, and we're super excited for the white one. We're getting 2 new items as well as the original first drop. I'm going to throw this on and do a little try on for you. Guys, I'm gonna just say this. This is one of the most flattering tops that I own. I love everything about it. It is super thick. So 1, you don't have to wear a bra if you don't want to, but 2, it just kind of keeps everything tight. I feel the most confident and the most sexy when tops that I'm wearing fit nice and snug. I am currently rocking a size medium. Be sure to mark your calendars for August 13th, 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's enough of that. I'm gonna change into some sweatpants because it's about to get crazy in here. Can I get your guys' opinion on something?
Yes.
So, prom pose. Here's the room.
Yeah.
Does this bed stay here or does it go to this wall?
I think if you're rearranging, you gotta rearrange.
Yeah, you gotta give it your all, Ash.
So move the whole bed.
Remove it all.
Remove it. Okay.
You should put the gold thing in here.
What gold thing?
The light.
The pendant.
Oh, I feel like that would be too low.
No.
It'd be cute.
Yeah, because it
Or
would go.
switch it with the one downstairs.
It would go so low.
No,
Okay, next question.
Yeah.
Do we keep the blue chair or get rid of the blue chair?
Keep.
I like it. It's a little nook.
I feel like it doesn't get used.
I think it does.
We'll sit on it more.
I was thinking if I moved the bed this way, where would the bookshelf go?
Right there.
Right there.
But the chair's there.
The chair go under there.
Yeah, the chair go under there.
So to reiterate, we want the bed there, we want the bookshelf
No.
here,
There.
and the blue chair here.
And then the light there or there. Rosie uses the chair every day.
I'm using the chair.
Rosie
right now.
loves the chair.
Bro.
No, I think that'd be perfect.
Okay. The dresser's not
you.
moving because of the TV. I
Yeah.
feel like the dresser and the TV have to stick there. But everything else is movable. Baby. You heard it here. We are moving the bed from where it is to the side. The bookshelf is going to go in this corner and the blue chair is going to go in that corner. And I don't know what I'm going to do about the lamp. It's a little bit big, so it's either going to work or it's not. I'm very excited about this. Ready, set, go. I'm ending the time lapse because there's so much shit under my bed, which is ridiculous. I had no idea. I actually found a pair of shoes, some Doc Marten heels, that I think I got a long time ago and I forgot about. That's really bad. It's also really dusty in this corner, so I think I'm gonna have to go grab the vacuum. It's also making a lot of sense now why my allergies are so bad if I'm sleeping in a room where there's a bunch of dust under the bed. I know that's a normal thing, but clearly I have to clean my bed way more often. Duh, Ashley, but also like, forgot. Guys, what the hell? Another pair of Doc Marten booties were under my bed. I'm trying to remember what these were for, and I think I remembered. I did an Amazon shoe haul at the very top of COVID. I'm pretty sure that's what these are from. It's wild. Also super exciting. It feels like I went shopping. Love that for me. Back to cleaning. Got the bed to that side. That took me forever. I got my one nightstand. I realized I got rid of the other one. Yeah, it was 100% poor planning on my part. I don't have a second nightstand, so that's something I'm gonna have to figure out a little bit later. Right now, I'm going to take the blue chair and move it into this corner and find another spot for that plant. It's getting hot in here, so take off all your... So I'm actually really happy with how this looks. It's very cute, very minimal. Could 1000% be even more minimal, but for right now, I think it looks really nice. I think what it is the basket and the table is too much, so it's gotta be like, pick one, you know? I'll probably get rid of the basket if that's what I end up doing. But really happy with how that turned out. Now, the next problem. I have no idea what to do with this lamp. It's pretty big, so it's either gonna have to leave the room entirely, or I was thinking I could put my nightstand on that side and the big lamp could go in the corner. I don't know, it's starting to get a little crazy now. This is where it gets hard, because it's like, I liked my room how it was, but I think stuff like this is good for you, like health-wise, like mentally. It's good to change things up and not be stuck. I'm just telling myself that to hype myself up right now. Right now, I'm going to attempt to move that bookshelf in, and then I'll deal with the lamp later. I'm done rearranging the room. I'm super sneezy right now because of how much dust was underneath my bed. It blew my mind and it pisses me off because I like to consider myself a clean freak, and evidently I'm not. I have mixed feelings about it. I love a lot of things about it, but then at the same time I don't. I feel like it feels more cluttered now somehow. I think I need to start decluttering. I think I have too many things. Lots to discuss, but let's give you the tour. Okay, here is walking into the room, and here is the rest of the room. We have the bed on the left with my one and only nightstand. In the far corner is the blue chair with the floating shelves that I put up forever ago. I ended up moving my snake plant over in the corner. I think that looks great. And then over to the right here is where I ended up putting the bookshelf next to the dresser next to this mirror. And this is where my problem is. Something about all three of those things being on that wall bothers me a lot. I don't like it. I don't really have anywhere else to put the mirror, but I'm thinking the mirror could go here. The nightstand could go back where the lamp is and the mirror could go there. Couple options there. But here's another problem that I have. I don't necessarily like the bookshelf next to the dresser. I will say maybe if that mirror is gone, I won't care so much about this. I'm feeling overwhelmed in this corner, while at the same time feeling really nothing here. Part of me really likes the minimal look with the bed, but it doesn't feel balanced. However, I am starting to get more comfortable with this. This is starting to feel a little better. I think if I get rid of the lamp, move the mirror there, I'll be good. Let's try that real quick. I don't hate that. It's not my favorite, but I don't hate it. I feel like there's still so much that needs fixing, but that's fine. That's fine. This would be really nice for selfies in the mirror. I love the background and everything about this. Maybe you guys could leave me comments with how you would suggest I decorate my room or rearrange my room. I tend to get overwhelmed sometimes, but I think I'm gonna like let myself sit in this for a bit and just embrace the change. Maybe I'll change it in a week, maybe I won't, maybe I'll love this. I'm going to allow myself to just kind of like marinate in this for a bit. Again, would love your guys' thoughts and opinions on this. Leave me comments for how you think I should arrange the room. I'm trying to not spend money, so I'm trying to change up my room and decorate my room a little bit different with everything that I have already. I was bored. Okay. As I get, you know. Okay. And I was like, oh, let me just rearrange my room a little bit.
Wait, the things are there. Oh my god!
Weird.
It's so weird, but it's so cool.
I'm not entirely sold.
No, dude, it's really cool. I feel like you just need like a thing.
Yeah.
Something.
And I don't know what to do with this lamp.
Dude, it's gonna be cool to wake up though to like the sun.
I like the concept so far. I'm just not sold on it. Watch me change it in like a
No, but this is so
week.
fun.
Yeah. I was like, sure, let's do it.
Yeah. No, I love.